Hi, this is Amanda Smith responding to week one. And something that I've learned about myself from the readings and from looking at the website and the postings is that I suppose I don't think about um, cultural issues much and cultural diversity much as I suppose as much as you could. And I suppose that comes from my white privilege, probably. But I also feel that I've lived in many culturally diverse situations. I lived in Dubai for 6 years, which is just probably one of the most culturally diverse places you could possibly live. Um, and I suppose I appreciate the beauty of it. I appreciate those differences and I appreciate that, but I don't think about it very often. And I'm wondering if that's something that I need to improve on, or if that's just something that I've been raised with. That just the cultural identity is something that's everyone is different to everyone, and that's almost like a beautiful thing. And I was saying to my husband too, I feel like things are almost changing. Is that because there's been so much cultural diversity in the world that I've been raised in and that I've been brought up from from the time I was four entering school, that we have more of an awareness to differences and in a professional point of view, and again, this could be my white privilege speaking, we've learned to have that sensitivity, and not that you understand what people are going through or what cultures they're coming from or who they identify with and exactly what that means to them, but also you've learned to be sensitive to differences and to not say stupid things and to embrace differences and embrace that lack of understanding or awareness. And in bridging that with like culturally sensitive questions and becoming curious about cultures um and I think that's what's important for me is that I appreciate it, I value it, I think it's beautiful, and I don't know everything there is to know by any means. There's so much I don't know, but um I think knowing and appreciating differences and the value in that just is a good foot to start off on, I think. And I hope that that will help me in my career as a school psychologist to just know that people are different. People have different experiences. They identify with different cultures, and as such, they're not like me. And I know I'm a white woman of middle class descent, and that influences a lot of things. And I hope that's not something that will put others off. And I'm sorry, I'm going over my time limits, but yeah, that's what I've learned this week. That it made me think more on what I know about culture, and that's just my experience with it.